Hello Mushy Monster fans! Today I'm going to do another Mushy Monster to the rescue. A lot of you are asking to do another one, so I decided to do another one. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I wonder if my seed is ready. It is! Let's see what's inside. Mr. Snoodle. And it's an ultra rare. It's the Christmas edition. Come here, Mr. Snoodle. Hello, Mr. Snoodle. I'm gonna get you some food. Here you go. Now eat up, or I'll go to sleep. I did a hard work. Let's get him. Get that, Mr. Snoodle. First, get the bag. Yeah. Come on, quickly. What happened? No, Mr. Snoodle. Why? Wait, I got an idea, guys. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I should call the Mushy Monster to the rescue. Yep, let's do that. Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep. Hello? Yep, this is Katsuma. And can I have Mushy Monster to the rescue? Okay. There's another stolen mushling. Okay, bye. I called them and they'll be here about like 5 seconds. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. That was quick. Come in. Oh, hello, Mushy Monster to the rescue. Come and see. This is where my mushling. It was Mr. Snoodle Christmas edition. I was very surprised. But come on. I'm very sad. Oh. Another stolen mushling. Yep, another stolen mushling. Hey guys, look. What I found on the floor. Clump's footsteps. Come on, let's follow this. Don't worry, Katsuma. We'll find out, Mr. Snoodle. Come on. I hope you go find him. Come on. Okay, now put Mr. Snoodle carefully. Sleep there, Mr. Snoodle. Just sleep there. What's happening? No! There. I locked him up. Whew. Okay. Now you Glumps. Glumps. You guard. Remember. I need to make a new Glump because you guys are useless. Okay. Now I'm going to set my Glump machine ready. We have to guard again, and he called us useless. Well, because you're dumb. Ow! Fine, I'll go back. Swift, you get it now. Get it! It's all clear, and I found Mr. Snoodle. Gotta take a pic. Okay. Come on, Pookie. There's Mr. Snoodle. Yep. Come on, Gubby and Scamp and Stunny. Yeah. Oh, there's Mr. Snoodle. Oh, isn't it a cute one? Katsuma's lucky. Yep. So lucky. So, I think in this mission there's a trouble. Dr. Strangeglove has put a padlock. And look at all these words. I think one of them are the padlocks. Try the ZA ... Okay. ZA ... No, it didn't work. Ow. It just pushed me. Okay. Try the... here's one. www.mushymonsters.com. Try that. Okay. www.mushymonsters.com. It started to open. You better move. Come on, guys. Timber. Mr. Snoodle, come here. Let's get you out of here. Oh, you're so cute. Come on, guys. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, we should take a picture. Come on, Pookie and Gabby. We need to take a rescue picture. We don't want to miss this one because this one's an adorable one. Okay, everybody scooch to the side. Come on, Gabby, you can't fit. Ugh. Everybody needs to fit now. Pookie, what are you doing there? Look at this bag I found. I think that's where they get the mushrooms. Is there any more in there? Nope. Okay, we should follow this. Yeah! Okay, it's gone. Now, picture time. Everyone looks happy. And... mushy cheese. Click. Okay, that's a nice photo. Let's go back to Katsuma. Uh-oh. I think somebody's coming. Yeah! That should do the trick. Yep. Now let's go to Katsuma now. Mr. Snoodle. Who's that? Yes. Whistling to the rescue. And Mr. Snoodle, come here. Go to your bed. Okay, come on, guys. Why you all guys are sleepy? It's a long walk from your house. Yep, it is a long walk. Yeah, it's very long. Yep, very. And these are all the pictures. Look. Oh, very nice pictures. Okay, thank you for taking out the Bushling to the rescue. I really love you guys. Thank you. And that was Mushy Monster to the rescue. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Come on, Mushling, say bye.